What's really behind that random hiccup attack? You're chilling. Then suddenly your body goes rogue. What just happened? Hiccups are a weird spasm of your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it just freaks out. Why? Could be you ate too fast, drank something fizzy, got startled, or even laughed too hard. Your diaphragm's like, I quit for a second. Then your vocal cords slam shut, creating that funny hic sound. Usually they go away on their own. But if you hiccup for more than 48 hours, call a doctor. Otherwise, breathe into a paper bag, or chug water upside down, or summon ancient hiccup demons, whatever works. Now you know what's behind your hiccup ambush. Follow for more weird body stuff.